All right. Uh, Here we go. Let's see. I got ES on screen on the 3 minute. Right now we are checking to see if we got freaking volume first and foremost. And I'm going to it right now. Yeah. Okay. I got volume. All right. All right. I got the 8 o'clock highs being taken prior to us going any lower from here. It's an opinion, but based on the strategy, it should be retracing to go back up. And I'm only watching the 3 minute. I'm glancing at the one. They have a potential entry on the 1 minute that most likely they will come back and get. They're not that far from it. Let's see, 8 a.m. candle. Let me see. 8 a.m. Yeah, that's it. I got nothing on the 3 so far, and it's just smooth sailing until they want to do something. I still got them going back up from here to sweep that 8 o'clock, bro. It is not that far away on NQ. Yeah, that's a high probability POI, and it was found on the 3 minute. I think it was. Let me double check that. Yeah, it was. I found it on the 3 minute. It should hold. It has a PSP connected to it. Um, it's not the normal way, but I've seen it work this way, so I will take it if they present it. Yeah, they might fall out the goddamn bottom this morning, dude. All right. I don't know what the potential target is. Let me see something, dude. Oh shit, bro! Everybody fucking fall today, dude. They might fall to Afghanistan. Goddamn today. Based on the daily, they wanna. Looks like they wanna go down, dude. Oh yeah, it does 17, 24, 17, 24, 25. If you just use the date, yeah. The date, month and the date. Um, they may use that. They may use that. I'm not gonna sit here and say I've seen him pull that. Oh, here we go. There we go. Going back up. This is what I want to see right now. This is what I want to see. I need a sweep on the 3 minute. Give me a sweep on the 3 minute, bro. Give me that. Give me that sweep up on the 3 minute. Let's see if we can make it work. I think this is going to be a good trade, bro. I think this is going to be a good trade. They're going to come back up and get that damn 8 o'clock high, bro. That's one of my moves right there. It's one of the moves. Uh, yeah, they're coming to get that, bro. It's gonna be a good trade. It's gonna be, let me get this live count ready. This other one right here. Let's see. Yeah, bro. I'm probably gonna need at least six monitors, probably, bro. At least, so I can quit bouncing back and forth. God damn. Okay. All right. So we set up on the 3 minute. This is what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a sweep of this 8 o'clock high right here. Well, actually, the candle is 806. The 806 candle is my point of interest. 806 candle right now. 806. Uh, the potential for it sweeping those upper highs right there is probable, kind of, sort of. I don't want it to. If we're going to continue down, I'm hoping to do it from right here at the 806. Now, mind you, it is still early, and I ain't even taking that into consideration this morning because every time I take it into consideration about time, uh, it ends up going in the direction that I had planned in the first place. So if I see it, I'm pulling the trigger. So at a discretion, of course. Oh, what are y'all doing? See, that's that bullshit. That's all right. We mark it open right now. We mark it open. Let's see what they're gonna do. I got nobody near my shit. And they might not even give it up this morning. That move. Man, they gotta go sweep it out. Somebody gotta go get it. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna believe that, man. This strategy is what it is. And we're gonna wait this time on these 3 minute candles because it's gonna take a lot of goddamn time on these 3 minute candles. So yeah, market ain't even fucking open yet. So I know what I want to take a look at, dude. Where's the shit at? Boom. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Let's find out. Let's find out. Um, let's see. The sheeple. We are not open yet. We're gonna let them wait. We'll let them do their thing. Gotta let them do their thing this morning, man. I mean, ain't nothing we can do. But let them ride out. Let me sit here and wait for this thing to load up. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about. Here go the move that we're looking for, right? I need that 8 o'clock high swept, 806 candle to be exact, and we're gonna take a sell. If it shows up right now, I'm taking it now. I'm not gonna play around with the macro. I'm just not gonna do it. Just not gonna do it. All right. So I would like to have a closure above this candle right here, where that line is, right there. That first line right there. I'm on the right chart, bro. I'm on the right chart. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, that candle right there. Boom. We need a sweep of that, and then we'll be ready to rock and roll. We're ready to rock and roll. I got NQ sweeping it though. NQ is very, very, very close to it. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. I got a good read on this morning, dude. I got a good read on this. Let me see what my candle is real quick. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 right there. Let's put that on there and get ready for these sales. It's gonna be a good one, bro. It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a good one. All right, they're gonna give it to us. They're gonna give it to us, bro. I got the first low being targeted right now. It's coming up on it like real freaking quick. ATT time is 11 on that candle. 12 and 13 would also be wonderful in that area for any change in state of delivery on the 3 minute. I'm taking a sip. Is it smart? It is what it is. We're gonna find out. All the parameters lined up. So, with that being said, see what they want to do. See what they want to do. I got them selling off for the rest of the day. Like 10,000 points. 10,000 points. Goddamn America about to collapse today. Hey, shit, I feel you. I definitely feel you on that. I ain't paying them no attention. They about to fall right at the bottom. There you go, bro. No, you straight. I am. Let me look over here this for 1 minute real quick, bro. This shit is doing something crazy over here. All right. Not gonna go. Let me go back. All right. Boom. Just gotta wait. It's not giving me nothing. So 9:30 just kept kicking off. Now YM is trying to go up a little bit. Yes, it changed his mind. It fell short of that 8 o'clock, bro. That is an unwillingness to that is they're ready to go, dude. They're ready. They're like really ready to go. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oh yeah, they're ready to go, bro. They failed to sweep the 8 o'clock high, and they're closing below the 927 candle. They're about to drop this right at the bottom, right off the Dick Street, dude. Okay, all right. I can't do nothing with that. They're about to go for a fall. Yeah, ain't nothing I can do, bro. They're about to go to they're about to go into a free fall. Is what it looks like. I have to get in on the secondary. They're about to go for a free fall, bro. When I say they're about to go for a free fall, they failed to sweep the 8 o'clock high, and they were that close, and they had an immediate change in state of delivery, just shallow of it. So it's still early, of course, but Jesus Christ, dude. Uh, I would like for them to go back, huh? But we're gonna wait. They're gonna have to do something. They're gonna have to give me what I want. So, but yeah, they don't look good. Fall right at the bottom. Failure to sweep. ES still might go up and get it. ES is still bullshitting, but they're like, yeah, NQ doesn't want to go tap it. ES doesn't want to go up there either. ES is falling worse than damn NQ. So uh yeah, it's all a patience game. It's gonna show itself. in this session that we're in. Dally, I seen it prior to. Yeah, something about to transpire. That's what I'm saying. But they have to utilize this strategy in this session. Is what I'm telling you. So the last time that it happened on the clock time, chart time, is at 8:06. So right now they have to give me my sequence within this this time frame that we're on the charts, whether it be on the 3 minute or whether I glance over to the one and check it out to see if they're potentially about to go at it some kind of how. As of right now, no one is near my moving average at all. And I knew what they were about to do because I didn't see that. Please retrace. Give me a higher entry than that. I mean, I'll take the entry wherever it get to, but still. Yeah, they didn't sweep that high right there. That was part of the system. So when you don't get the system, then you can't freaking do shit. Can't freaking do shit. So I ain't tripping with them. I'm gonna sit here and watch them, and I'm going about my merry fucking goddamn way. And they're gonna give me what I need here shortly, because it looks like YM is about to go take out that 8 o'clock high now. So if YM takes out the 8 o'clock high, then we still have action to move down. Period. I'm just waiting for a change of state. And shoot, I'll take the sell on NQ. As of right now, I think everybody has swept London lows. So London lows are off the table for anything, which means the potential to keep going is definitely on the high side. So I am going to wait for YM to hopefully sweep this high. It is pushing very hard to get there right now. I'm not going to put it on the screen. I'm not going to even switch the charts over there. Just know that YM is about to take out where this yellow line is on NQ and here on ES. Same line. I got it marked out on all assets. Same candle. Same exact candle too. All right. Yeah. The overall market is freaking bearish, bro. So I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if they fall all freaking day from here, dude. They still got to give me the setup. They got to give me a setup. Jesus, bro, I can't even explain how to get into that, bro. That 9:30 can't displace and do it. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's good. That means we about to take a sell. But I'm taking it based off what YM is doing. I'm still gonna sell, bro. No matter where NQ is, the sell button is on the table. At this point, it will be a trail out based on how it's reacting right now, based on all these candles. But if it gives another candle and the pattern happens on YM, I'm pulling an entry right there, and then I'll trail out because that stop loss is gigantic to that high. 9:30 would be the stop loss. So, well, technically speaking, that's what it's supposed to be. But I, if I'm gonna have to pass this up, bro, because the fair value gap is so big. You got another fair value gap at the top right now. I would take a lower risk, and then I would lower the stop loss to something reasonable if I was to take the sale based on YM right now, bro. Yeah, that and the stop loss placement is gonna have to be fucking goddamn, bro. If it gives it to us, YM is breaking that high almost. It's like right there, bro. It's like one tick away, bro. It's like about to break it. I don't know if you got it up, but I mean, you can glance over here and see it's right there at the line right now. It's right there at that bottom line that I was looking at on ES and NQ. So it's sweeping it. Now, if I get a closure below, let me see if they got a volume imbalance right there. So it swept that high, no close, 412, open, 412. So that's one solid candle open close. The next volume imbalance would be freaking goddamn. It's got to have an imbalance for a way to get in on though. That's one right there. 288 open. 290. God damn, that's a long way though for it to come back down in order to get into the get into a sell. So it would have to close for me to get into sell on NQ. YM would have to close past this volume imbalance right now. All the way the fuck down there. And make it smaller. All right. So no matter what YM does, before I can get any action, I need it to fall. Hold on. I gotta share the goddamn page. YM broke that high right there. That yellow line right there. That yellow line is the same yellow line on all charts. Why is this thing moving so freaking slow, dude? All right. That yellow line is the same on YM and NQ. In order for me to get into a sell right now, I need YM to close under this volume imbalance down here where my blue line is. YM is the first person to sweep highs, and they are points of interest on my highs. So if YM closes down here on the 3 minute, my strategy tells me I have to put in a sell. NQ is about to fall, and this is probably going to continue falling. So that's an opinion, but you can see what it did since I've been talking about it. I mean, so yeah, bro, this here's a signature, bro. It fell short with a green candle, opened up, closed up under a swing low immediately, and left a fair value gap. That's like an immediate entry type shit, bro. I was saying, I would even take that coming down. I probably took 2 on it in fucking trail, bro, and then I just use a fucking highest fair value gap or something. Because these are the 2 highs, bro. These are 2 highs. These are 2 highs that match the 144 criteria prior to market open. These motherfuckers are about to continue falling, bro. They might have a little bounce, but they're gonna continue falling. So that's what's about to happen. I can tell you that now. Matter of fact, oh Jesus Christ! Let me see something. I really shouldn't be doing this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for YM to give me a change in the state on the 1 minute chart, and I'm gonna enter off based on the 1 minute. That's a volume imbalance. It has to close past this volume imbalance right here for me to get in. On the 1 minute, and we're in a macro, so that counts. That volume imbalance is real fucking big. What's close on? Close is 521. Open is 519. So let's see if they want to give us the fall based on the 1 minute. I think I'm going to take it if it closes, though. I'm not going to take it on buddy account. I ain't fucking with that shit. Let's see if they want to continue giving this to it, but they might pull it. Yeah, candle closure right here on the 1 minute for sale. I'm going with I have to find a fair value gap on the freaking 1 minute if it does, or something to hold me. Let me see real quick. As of right now, I got one high right here, and equal highs right there. I think I'm gonna wait. I think I'm gonna wait. Yeah, that ain't gonna do me no good. I'll try one. It's not gonna be no more than one though. If this closes below this right here, I'll put one on. That shit looks suspect in my my vision right now. I'm not doing that on no damn 1 minute. That's fucking goddamn shit. That's about $200 right there, dude. That's what I'm saying. We're gonna see. We're gonna wait, bro. We're gonna wait. I'm waiting for the 3 minute to show me the pattern. I can't do anything till it shows me the pattern. Right now that moves. It just created a new high. So now it's the actual low of that red candle. All right. So we're gonna wait. We're still in the macro. Macro is 943, 942 to 1017. And we got plenty of time. Change in state would happen here on YM. Especially if we get some red candles closing, just fall back under. That'd be an immediate entry. Definitely stop loss would go to high. Unless they're just getting out of whack again. But I'm gonna take it how it comes. That was the high priority high that I wanted a closure from the beginning in the first place. So I'm gonna watch it close. It's still early, still early, still early, still early. Only we won't catch it. Just to be patient. Only way to catch it. And that's the 1 minute. I'm gonna go back and see how it looks on the 3 minute real quick. Yeah. Yeah, I don't fucking know. I'm still glancing at the 1 minute though, so they're not gonna be able to slide too much by me. No, it's all good because they're coming up on that 1 minute right now, and we're gonna see what they want to do. Oh, they're gonna give this to me. They're gonna give this to me. They give it to me every day. They give it to me every day. This is gonna be one of them strategies that weather all markets conditions. Unless they just predicate all market conditions, bro. I mean, we're gonna see how this holds up for the rest of the year. But this is all I'm about to fucking trade. I'm not gonna even sit here and lie to you. So I mean, shit, dude. All right, I got a change in the fucking state on ES, dude. The fuck? Okay. Hold on for a second, man. I got the original play just set up on fucking ES, dude. At that low, you said that was nope, I ain't got nothing right there, dude. I got nothing at the at the EMA at all. At 3 minutes, that high is still holding it. ES is making its way back up to that high right now. NQ is slowly following. It's slowly following. Yeah, they about to. Yeah, they coming back up to that creek road. I'm watching it. I'm watching the EMA right now. The EMA. Actually, I'm watching it on. I'm going to watch it on the 1 minute. I said I was going to stay away from the 1 minute, but I'm going to watch it 1 minute. I'm not going to let this slide by today because it showed me that I can actually catch this. So, ES is coming into the 144 right now. I am not showing that right now. Let me see. Let me show. Let me put it on the screen. ES coming into 144. Hold on. That damn screen's out of whack. Damn. This shit is lagging. It is what it is. It is what it is, bro. Do what you're supposed to do. That's it. 144. EMA. Right there. So we're going to wait for it to come into it and set up the parameters I need to see on the EMA. If it gives me the parameters, we have a point of interest on the 1 minute, which I will take if they give it to me. But as of right now, the 3 minute is still holding heavier. So we're gonna see. That sell is still in play, but that's only if YM can get back down to that 3 minute volume imbalance before everybody else sweeps those highs. So The likelihood right now looks like nothing because 1 minute looks like it's set up to go up on ES, but we got to let these candles close, and we got to let these candles print. So, with that being said, the potentiality is definitely there. They probably did perform it on like the lower time frame, but I'm definitely not going down there to trade this shit. Not as right now. Yeah, I'm looking. I see it on ES. I see it on ES, and I see it on yeah, it's got to go through the 144. I mean, that's where the play happens. That's where it always happens. It doesn't happen anywhere else, no matter what it's doing. So, what I do know is when we take the play, it always gets to the next prominent low. So, find the highest probability low, not know any swing low, something that's fairly decent looking, so to speak. Okay. ES just printed a high on my 144 line. I am watching this very closely now. Right here. I can't see it's not happening on the 3 minute. So what I am going to do is I'm going to wait. And they are not setting it up correctly on my line either. So we're going to wait until they set up the formation correctly. That is not the way it's supposed to look. Got birds flying into the window. They can't see where they're going. All right. ES is almost back up to that 8 o'clock line. All right. I'm still watching ES on another chart, so I don't have it on my sharing screen. But matter of fact, let me show you what I'm looking at. Let me keep it on that real quick because I want somebody else to pick this shit up, dude. I need a swing high to be printed on this line, so I need this candle. This candle can close here, but I need the next candle to be red in order to take a buy. Well, I need it to be red and come back down just to create a swing high on the 144. And then I want to close it back above the high that it's making right now. But that's a little too far for my liking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait. There ain't nothing I can do. And if it keeps going, it keeps going. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to backtrack on how and what they did at my point of interest, which is my EMA. Because right now, I do see a PSP at that point of interest line. That low itself at 951. I'm just gonna watch it just to see if I can get any clues about it. Maybe they want to keep going. Maybe they use it. Maybe they don't. It doesn't matter. Uh, shit, YM looks like he's putting in a change of shape for a freaking sale, dude. Right now. Let's see what they're gonna do, bro. Ooh, we gotta hold on for a second. Let's make sure this is right. Let's make sure this is right. All right, 3 minute. ES is still climbing. Okay, to this 8 o'clock high, maybe beyond. One thing I do know is it looks like they're very bullish right now, for real. I mean, I can only take a sell one way, and that's like far away right now, based on the 3 minute of YM. So that's off the table. I'm looking at the 1 minute on ES, but it is not giving me what I needed. It's not showing me any sign. Not for as that concerned. Matter of fact, NQ just made a high on my line. The NQ just made a high on my line. So let's watch NQ. NQ might give us the entry for the buy. So it happens across all assets. Not all of them is going to give it to you on the line. Somebody's going to give it to you, and you just make your assessment based off of who gave it to you. So as of right now, I'm going to look at this 1 minute, bro. I'm going to look at this 1 minute very closely. At this high right here, 955 candle created a swing high. As long as this next current candle doesn't close above it, that is a high probability candle right there at 955. Or they can create another swing high. They can create 956 right there, or even 7. But somebody is going to have to perform it on the line, and when that happens, we'll take it to the appropriate level, and we'll call it a day. We'll call it a day. Let's see what they want to do. We are now about to change on the hour. So we're still looking at previous cycles for me, which means the 10 o'clock up to 8 o'clock, probably on YM. We'll see if they give it to us. Whatever direction this thing shows up on the line is the direction that we're going to trade. Whatever direction it shows up on. Right now, I still got a high being formed on maybe NQ. We're still waiting. I know I got my 7:30 line coming up. If there is a swing high on there. If it just spaces through it, they're going to continue up, definitely. And real quick, this right here. Closure at this right here is a wrap. So this closure above, this is going to be a so-called breaker, break block. Yeah, that's going to be a breaker block. Especially if it closes above it. If it closes above this candle, it's going to get a 50% retracement to somewhere and it continue on. But they got to give me that line, bro. They got to give me the line. They can't got there and leave me without the line. They give it to me on YM, not on the 3 minute. They haven't given it to me on the 3 minute on NQ, and they haven't given it me on the 3 minute on ES, although ES is rolling through the moving average right now. So it's still not set up yet. But when they set it up, we'll fucking take it, bro. Ain't nothing we can fucking do. Just waiting for it to set up on that line, and that's it. It may not. It may happen later. I seen it happen at the fucking second macro. I seen it happen at about 12 in the afternoon. So we're gonna see why they see how they want to do it. But we're not gonna miss it. That's what we're not gonna do. Unless they run it on the 15 second. If they run it on the 15 second or the 30 second, then we're already screwed. Because I'm pretty sure they probably already did it. And I don't go down there. So if they ain't doing it on the 3 minute, definitely the 1 minute, and yeah, I would never catch it. Not like that. But when they set it up, you best believe there will be a trade. Yeah, it works. It works 100% of the time if you know what you're looking at. Motherfuckers ain't gonna believe that shit though. They ain't gonna believe that shit. It's okay. You ain't got to believe it. I'm about to run the bag up on this strategy and keep on posting it. We're gonna call this. We're gonna call this the glitch. The glitch. Yeah. That's exactly what it is. A glitch in the freaking market. Yeah, we're just waiting for this 144. That's it. That's all we can do. That's all we can do. I got nothing as of right this very second on any of my time frames. Like I said, I'm looking also at the one, and the one is not showing it to me either. So until it shows it to me, I'm doing not a damn thing. They're breaking all my highs now. So all my candles are dead over here. I got a 6 minute coming into a line. Let's see. I got a 6 minute coming in on ES. And what does a 6 minute look like on YM? Oh, okay. Let me let me see. How many candles is that on the 6 minute? Man? That's a lot of candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Shit, that's a lot of candles. That's a lot of candles. Oh, one wrong time over here. Hold on one quick second, dude. I just want to see if there's a PSP down here. That one right there. So that red candle right there. This candle right here on the 6 minute. Right there. All right. All right, the move is taking place on the 6 minute, and they're showing that they want to go bullish right now. Somebody would have to sweep this low based on the strategy in order for me to get in. Just off this right here, I would need this low right here taken out, and I'm not showing it on the 6 minute yet. I'm gonna put it on there. 6 minute. Why does the 6 minute look different? Oh, that's ES right there, dude. God damn it. Fuck. Hold on, dude. I don't know why that's fucking ES right there. All right. This candle right here. This candle right there. The low of that candle. It seems random, but it's not random. It's not random at all. That is a precision swing point. Let me find it on theirs and mark that out. Because if they're going to go back up, they're going to go back up there. And that's an absolute low if they do it too, bro. Shit. That's an absolute low if they come back and sweep that. Somebody has to sweep that damn low again. All right. So, with that being said, if that's how they want to do it, somebody has to come play around down here first. Continue going. All right. Somebody has to come back all the way back down in order to, for me to continue and buy based on just a 6 minute. But I'll leave that marked out, and then I'll go back to the freaking 3 minute row. Because I'd rather see it on my line down low, at a low time frame. So 3, 3. All right. Nobody did anything on the 3 still. Nope. And I'm gonna glance at the 1 still. And nothing's happening on the 1. No one's performed it on the 1 at all. But what has happened is YM and ES have swept some POI on a POI on a 3 minute. NQ has failed right now to sweep that higher POI, bro. If it closes above, yeah, but if we're taking it up, it's got to be on the bottom. We got plenty of time. The macro, man, I got to hold another freaking almost 15 minutes in the macro, dude. Unless whatever they're pulling on a higher time frame. Because if this pattern right here shows up on a higher time frame, it probably keep fucking going. Like let's say if this thing was showing up on our EMA on like the 9-minute or the 18-minute or something like that. Shit, I could take a look at it on the freaking 9. It ain't nowhere near it on the freaking 9. Ooh, what it did do is it does want to go up though, bro. Ooh, absolutely. Based on the 9-minute, it just swept liquidity to the bottom side and annihilated top side on the 9-minute. Yeah. Yeah, they might give somebody some money today. Let's go. Let's get it, bro. Yeah, 9-minute looks fucking goddamn fucking different. They should tap into this breaker block right here before they continue on. Whether they do it today or if they not gonna do it today. I would expect to bounce off that motherfucker. I wouldn't expect it to blow through it. But who am I to expect some shit from these motherfuckers? So all right. We'll keep it on the 3, man. They haven't shown nothing on the 3, bro. So and I'm like I said, I'm still watching the 1. I'm still watching the 1. So yeah, now NQ has swept that upper high. And if it closes above, most likely it might continue to run from here, which is cool. Either way, I'm only going to trade the freaking pattern, and the pattern hasn't showed up. But the thing is, it shows up every day. I mean, it showed up pre-market. I mean, but if it shows up while we're on stream, then I'll take it. If it doesn't, then shit, I'm going about my merry little way. But because the strategy is 100%, it's 100%. So by the time y'all figure that out, I'd have made $100 million off of this thing. It's 100%. So they don't want to wait for 100%. They want something quick, fast, and hurry though. So we're gonna risk it for the biscuit. We're gonna risk it for the biscuit. Yeah. If NQ gets a closure above that line right there, this top line right here, especially if it closes. If it closes, we're most likely gonna continue up. So I'm still just looking at for the line play, bro. I'm not looking for anything else. I done had long talks with myself about this shit, trying to make up some shit just to get in, knowing that the shit works every time it fucking shows up. Goddamn, I'm not fucking playing with people, bro. Let me see something. Yeah, we still got another 8 minutes. 8 minutes on the clock. $9:45. Yeah. I don't think they want to let us in. It looks like they about to go for a goddamn joyride. Shit. NQ did not close above that line though. That's what NQ did not do. It did not close above that line right there, dude. I mean, as of right now, this play is still valid. Goddamn shit going down. If they can't close above that motherfucker, somebody get a change in the state above it. But it doesn't look like that's gonna happen now, anyway. That's a 3-minute candle, so no one's created a swing point. No one. Yeah, they got to come back down. If they're gonna continue with they got to come back down in order for me to get in. But there's no fucking way somebody gonna sit here and chase that shit. This is why people get lost on this motherfucker. They see all goddamn 30 candles going up green. Let me just hit buy now. And as soon as they hit that bitch retrace goddamn fucking 5 candles. Real quick in a hurry on their ass. Absolutely. If you ain't willing to wait for that bitch and shit, you shouldn't be goddamn trading. Now, doubtless it take a long time to get to that point, but shit, hell, I'm still battling fucking demons. So, mhm. um, oh no, you good, bro. Yeah, they're not giving anything on this, bro. But I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that because this is my test. This is my test, and this is how it's going to show me that I'm about to be a profitable fucking trader. That's what it's about to show me, without a doubt. It's gonna be nothing but short of amazing. You know what I'm saying? If I'm goddamn, it's gonna be 100%. We're gonna refine this bitch to 100%. And goddamn, uh, absolutely. Let me see what they did on the 3 hour real quick, just to check something out. Because I'm seeing something on the highs up here. But they might want to actually run that bitch back up all freaking day, dude. No, I don't see anything. Nope. I was mistaken. I do kind of say something, but I'm not gonna make nothing up. Let me see if there's a PSP there. Though. Hmm. Yeah, that was in the fall, but it's okay. All right, all right. I'm stuck on the 3 minute. 3 minute. Going back to the 3 minute. I'm gonna need to take another look at that 6 minute real quick because it was creating a swing high on one of the lines. So let me double back with that because if they do, they can do it from the 6 minute dial. I don't want to take it off a 6 minute chart, but in order to get to where I'm going, I'm gonna have to try new shit. So, with that being said, let's take a glance back at this motherfucking 6 minute and see if they made that swing high on that damn. Okay, they're doing it right now. They're doing it right now. So we're gonna be patient. That's cool. That is definitely cool, bro. I can. If they put this on a 6 minute and I catch it, shh, boy, oh boy, boy, oh boy, absolutely money, boy. It happens on every time frame. If you get you on the right time frame, high time frame, you about to go for a joyride. Even if it's one candle on a 6 minute chart, you goddamn still golden. Shit. So I mean, can't beat that with a freaking bat. All right, 6 minutes still playing out. They're trying to make a swing high on the 6 minute right now. I'm cool with that. Absolutely cool with that. Let me go on flashback over here to the 3 and be patient. Hey, they might set this shit up for the second macro, bro. I don't know what they fucking swept over here. Let's see what they swept. They swept London highs. Everybody swept London highs. Everybody swept London highs. So what are they targeting? Where's previous day high? Shit. 6 p.m. Yeah, please set this shit up. Please set it up. Yeah, they swept PM highs on YM. Uh like market open highs. YM. Um yeah, you mentioned it earlier. Yeah. If you're sweeping a monthly low, did ES sweep it? That's the question. Yeah, that's what matters. You said monthly low. We're talking about monthly lows. If you're on monthly low, okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's got SMT. You can have different time frame SMT. But you got to use both of them the same one, whatever it is. Bro, this shit. I mean, this shit look fucking good, dude. That shit, it's exactly what it's supposed to be. I mean, when that bitch shows up, we got groceries. That's all I know. I don't know how to explain it. Yeah, yeah. And I'm just rambling on. Where my damn juice at? God damn. Um, all right, 3 minute, 3 minute. Nothing on a 3 minute. Nothing on 3 minute. Nothing on 3 minute. All right. So everybody swept all those highs. So right now I'm going to delete all these lines off the chart. Since everybody wanted to close below, and they wanted to goddamn be some bitches about it. Uh, we're gonna stay right there where it is. And I'm telling you that it's gonna show up. It's gonna show up. That's just what it is. It's gonna show up. If you think I'm lying, I'm goddamn dying. I ain't about to be dying on them. That's just what we're not gonna do. So uh you'll see. You'll see. Race these and we're still should go for a walk and come back. That's what I should do. Because honestly, it's gonna take even based on the 1 minute, they're nowhere near it. I'm not taking it on the 30 second. The 3 minute is nowhere near it, not setting up. The only person that's near it right now is on the 6 minute. And it's got to, it just created a swing high. So that means it's got to come back down if it's going to even make a swing high to continue up. So, yeah, I'll tell you what, I'm going to do it. So, if you tune in, it'll still be running. I'll be right back. We're going to take a break for this small intermission break. Okay. You see what we got? I still got nothing on the 1 minute. I got nothing on the 3 minute. I got nothing on the 3 minute. 1 minute ain't showing me nothing. 1 minute ain't showing me nothing. But I ain't worried about it, cause they gonna give it to me 9 times out of 10. Boom. Guess they want to wait to the next macro, bro. They want to wait till the next macro. Whatever about to happen, we about to hold. Matter of fact, I wrote in my book the other day about take a trade off the 3 minute chart. I have to hold it for a minimum of 45 minutes based on my stop loss. I can't even move the stop loss. Minimum. If not right at an hour. If I take it on the 1 minute, I have to hold it for at least 20 to 30 minutes before I make any kind of decision. Trail some out, let some run is definitely the way that I would like to run this play. Definitely like to run this play. Trail it out a few, and then let one run if it was still rolling in the first place, and let the account do its thing. This is an end of the day drawdown, Apex account. And Snuffleupagus around there doing her thing. All right. 6 minute. Let me see what the 6 minute over here is doing. 6 minute is on the little above the line over here, above my EMA on ES, which is cool. Which tells me that honestly, they want to go down. Usually, if they're going to go up, they usually create the high first. They usually create the high first on the line, not above it. So NQ is already going. I mean, ES is already going above it. So with that being said, yeah, but it ain't got nothing to do with the line though, dude. That's fine. This is, I mean, if this is where Will's strategy was coming in at. If you're willing to learn, pick up some scalping type shit, that's the only thing about that shit. You can kind of get in like at any time as long as you know where the levels are. But either way it goes, I think I'm moving toward more of a swing trader type deal. Yeah, it's more of a swing trader type strategy here. I mean, you can use it as a scalping strategy because you'll catch consecutive candles. You know what I'm saying? So, but for the most part, these bitches, they will keep going on you if you're on the right side, dude. We're gonna wait for this bitch, bro. Second macro is coming up. Right now, I just had it looks like a damn change of state happened on YM on a damn 1 minute. But let me get off the 1 minute off of YM. First and foremost, I shouldn't even be on that. Hello. Slip a low. Yeah, they're about to set up, bro. They're about to set up now. So I got them setting up in the second macro to come back down. That's an opinion, but either way, we gotta let the candles print. I'm gonna go back to the 3 minute. 3 minute is still not setting up anything, and the 1 minute is still not setting up anything. But they're coming in contact in close proximity with the EMA. So right there, wait. We're not gonna get impatient at all. I know exactly what I'm looking for. Exactly what I'm looking for. Yeah, they might be setting it up right now. We're coming into the macro in the next 14 minutes. So at 10:42, they got to show us something, or start showing us something, or start just presenting whatever it is that I'm about to trade. So this is gonna be easy. This is gonna be so easy, bro. Yeah, I can see it happening right now. I can see it happening right now. At 3 minute, is not doing anything. 6 minute, still is creating a high, a swing high. As a matter of fact, it created two swing highs on that 144, which is cool. What's that high right there? 885.50. And that one is 87. Okay. That's cool. It's not a big deal. That's one candle. That's one candle. Okay. So 6 minute is still a potentiality to run this shit. I would like to see it come down a little bit more, definitely. At least to 50% of the range. From this high right here. The high of, my bad, the high of 1024 to the low of 942. I would definitely like to see it come all the way down there. 942 low on the I'm on the 6 minute, bro. Oh, to the 1020. Oh, to the 1024 high and 942 low. So I would like to see it come to halfway. It may not. I mean, it is what it is, but here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna check to see if they want to go up, because I'm gonna actually count this. It's gotta happen to the line. Anything's gotta happen to the line first, bro. Yeah. I'm not entering on no 50%. I'm just saying that if it comes down there, just being aware of it. That's all. No breaker blocks. I'm not using it. Yeah. I had to delete that shit from my memory. Well, my bad. I shouldn't even said nothing about it, man. But it's just you read and study all that stuff, and then you notice it out there and while you're in the chart. So, but I do know that I'm looking for the EMA to be in the strategy period. So I'm not about to do anything no 50% because it came to 50%. But no, you're not gonna catch me doing that. No. What's that? I see it, yeah. Yeah, could be. Could be. Let's see. Oh, he got the chart right here, dude. It looks to be setting up right now, dude. All right, so I got the upper end of the curve on the 1 minute. So I got my 6 minute forming a swing high on that line, which is cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a gander down here real quick. I want to take a gander down here on the 30-second, where I shouldn't be at. They're coming into it. They're coming into it on NQ faster on the 30-second. I'm not gonna play with the 30-second. That's what I'm not gonna do. But I just want to be aware that if it does, I got a potentiality for the 1 minute and the 3 minutes set up. Yeah, it's about to happen on the higher ones. Yeah, and I can't really. And honestly, bro, I I really can't even use that shit, bro. Because I would have to go back to the other fucking strategy without that line on there right now. I would have to. Yeah, yeah. So that hopefully they don't scrub the internet of EMAs. You can no longer use EMAs to get into your trades ever again on Earth. Oh, I got to come up with another strategy then. But until then, yeah, absolutely, absolutely. All right, all right. What we got? We got nothing on the 3 minute. 6 minute is bringing my swing high. Still, I'm chilling. I am being aware of that. I am being aware of that. I tell you what I would look for if I was to take this on the 6 minute. If I was to take this on the 6 minute, if and that's a big fucking if. Let me show you what has to happen. What has to happen? I would need. I would need. I would need this candle to close where it is, and they would like for the next candle to go all the way through this high right here. And at that point, I would look for a precision swing point at the origination point. Hopefully, this next two candles on either NQ, ES, or YM present that opportunity, like for the optimal look for right now. Yeah, on the 6 minute candle, that would be 20 minutes. So that's right in time with the macro. I mean, so it's a potentiality definitely there because of where it is and based on the time. So that's cool. With that being said, um, there's nothing on the 3. Nothing touching the line on the 3, which is what I'm looking for. Let me say that. Nothing touching the line. Nothing touching the line. No swing high or swing low touching the line. And we fell short on that 30 second over there. So with that being said, I'm gonna go back to the 1 minute because they want to do something else, and we're gonna wait this bitch out because it's getting closer. The curve, when the curve comes in, it's ready. We're at the highest point, bro. Yeah, especially if it wants to continue going. We're at the very highest point when it goes through that line, bro. Yeah. So, well, that's the only thing I gotta be aware of. I mean, other than that, yeah. But here's what it showed. It showed they wanted to go up based on the fucking goddamn 6, bro. Like, at least for a short time period of time. Not me. Yeah, the low. So you said that monthly low was was with YM and NQ. SMT was with ESFL same monthly or YM same monthly. YM fail. Okay, yeah, they might want it. Yeah, but and yet still, even with this. Okay, yeah, that's a good sign. That's a good sign, bro. Yes. Okay. So they're both coming into a monthly line. Is that what it is? Right at the top? Okay. What's that line on the top right there? Yeah. Okay. Gotcha. I got PSP, bro. I got PSP right there. Let's see what they want to do now, because this is important. This is on a 6 minute chart too. I've seen this parameter fly to continue on. I've seen it. I've seen it. Yeah. It's at the PSP is at the origination on YM right here. This candle right here. If I can get a fair value gap. Sequence. Yeah. Get a fair value gap. It would have to sweep this low, which is the PSP, but it's already sweeping it over here on YM. So this is what I got to be aware of. Yeah, because this could blaze from right here. Like when I say blaze, this shit right here is about to take off with goddamn like 5-6 candles type shit, bro. We're coming into this time right here. Don't get me wrong, we overall bearish, but that can continue next week. We ain't got to do it all in one day. You know what I'm saying? So, in order for me to take this trade, like right now, I would need a closure back above this volume imbalance right here. Preferably this one on YM. If I can get a green candle to close back past this one right here, I'll enter immediately on NQ. No, I wanted to close past this one, bro. No, I'm not looking at. No, I'm not going to look at that. No. I mean, I was looking at. I was saying this is. I was use this one by itself, but I'm on a 6 minute chart. That's why I skipped to this one because it's so heavy. I'm on a 6 minute chart. There's freaking too many candles in there, bro. That's a lot. This one. This is what I'm using. That's why I'm waiting for the close above this one. I have to have a green candle close all the way above this one before I can consider anything, bro. There's nothing I can do. I can't use this one because we're on a 6 minute chart. If this was a 30-second chart, I'd use that one and roll with it and put my stop loss at the low and call it a day. But no. Let's see. They might want to continue up, dude, bro. One green candle past that right there. They're gonna roll. Quite possibly. Usually the first PSPs hold, bro. You usually get a bounce off the first PSPs. This is still. Let's see what this is real quick. That's 6 minute. Let me use this chart over here. So I would need a closure above this high. So the question is, do I have a fair value gap in the leg? It's not saying yet. Either way, this is the PSP candle. It hasn't closed above this yet, though. That's all we're waiting for closure. And then we'll use the origination and see where this is at to see how many fair value gaps or the volume imbalance they done fucking created in comparison to sweeping this fucking low right here. Hell, that looks like they about to close it back off right now. They're going freaking down, bro. All right, so here's what's funny. Here's what's funny. Now it's on the line inverted. 6 minute on the line inverted. Okay. This right here now is a point of interest, the 1036 candle, to take it down. At that point, if it falls through the line, the origination point is here. PSP, I have to wait for a retest of the high to go down. It's just the opposite way now.
So you either have two biases.
Whatever, yeah, and both of them, and only one of this one being closed off right now because I needed this to gap above this and close on the line. Displays through. Period. Didn't need no gap. It's creating a red candle, all coming back below the fucking fair value gap that it had right there. Open, close. What was that? Close 41. Open 40, 50. Overlap. If it closed below that, and this closed below that low right there, and then leaves a fair value gap, the retest is here, bro. It has plenty of time to do it too. This high right here is a point of interest for me. That high and the actual body of it right there. Yep. 1036. The high at 1036 or the actual body of it too. So the close of this candle right here on NQ and the open close of this candle right here. This candle right here on ES. All right, so what's going to happen is on the 6 minute, based on what they're giving me right now, and this is very fucking critical right now. I might pull this trade off of a 6 minute and see where this account takes me today. All right, so that PSP is right there on YM. Let me mark all these off. I got plenty of time to pull this trade off because this is a 6 minute chart that I'm looking at. So I got all PSPs marked out right now on the chart. I have my YM marked out. You can't see it because I'm not going to show it. Just know that there is a precision swing point right there. There is a precision swing point. So right now, the only thing we're waiting for to get into these cells is for ES right here to close below this swing low right here. I would like to see one more candle print, one more 6 minute candle print to come sweep this high. I would like to see a fair value gap right here at this point in time. This would be the most optimal trade ever. The most optimal trade ever. But this is on a 6 minute chart. So it definitely ain't gonna be for everybody. I mean, this strategy works on all time frames though, but right now they're showing it on the 6 minute, so I may have to take it off the 6 minute. I've never taken it off the 6 minute before. It's kind of freaking scary, but we're gonna learn today. Yeah, we're gonna trade the strategy, and we're gonna leave ego man out of the way, because he keep goddamn talking about, well, what if it don't work, motherfucker? No, I'm not fucking with you, bro. Leave me alone, bro. Yeah, leave me alone, bro. Yeah, absolutely. This is not the time for us to be talking. You go somewhere else. You don't had enough wreckage through my goddamn system. Hell on, bro. What are they doing? This is ugly. But either way, NQ just made a swing low on that EMA as well on a 6 minute. It's not falling through it. And they're gonna wait. It's Friday. They ain't gonna do too much. Unless you knew to get in at the bottom, you had Will's levels to get in. He pulled his little turn around and found his wick, which I'm sure he did. I'm sure he motherfucking did. I fucks with that. I'm gonna take his class just for fucking goddamn GP when I can. Just for GP, bro. Just because. Continuously improving. Yeah, this is important, dude. Oh, I've seen this 100 times. That shit close past this fucking candle right here. They might just fucking run it on fucking goddamn down, dude. God damn. Okay. I gotta be careful right here. Let's see. Yeah, if they run this candle down and close it all the way down at the bottom, yeah, they're about to retrace. Especially if they close up under the 1042. This trade would still be valid. It will still be valid with a closure up under the 1030 wick. It still will be valid. And the reason it would be valid is because we do have a PSP still. So we still do have a PSP, but also we have this volume imbalance at the start of the PSP, right? Between the 1036 candle and the 1042 candle on ES. Very slight. So the open close on this is 30.25. The close on this is 29. Oh, my bad. Sorry. The open is 30.50. The open close is 30.20. Yeah. So with that being said, this is still valid. The origination point is still this candle. It's still this PSP. And somebody has to do it now between YM or ES. I mean, I still got to get a closure, of course. But if this closes right here, this is game on for a sale. So we're gonna let this 6 minute candle freaking work. We're gonna let the 6 minute candle work real quick. And hopefully we get this closure up under the 1030 candle. Yeah, this looks good, bro. This looks real good. Yeah, I definitely would want it FVG. But I done seen you show your hands. I done seen you show your hands. So yeah, you gotta watch this very closely. Very closely. Very closely. We're in the macro. This is gonna be a fucking risk and a fucking half right here. They're not gonna make this shit easy, bro. But I'm not worrying about them because we're gonna use this self-talk to say that this strategy worked. Even if we get one candle with a 6 minute chart, I'm still gonna put on two though. That's gonna be a hefty fucking trade. Shit. I still would have to have at least a little bit of a candle retracement. Something come back somewhere, goddamn. It can't just continue to fall from here. It's gonna get one more candle probably. Please close below that motherfucker. Coming into it on the 1 minute. So if it shows up here, we should be good to go. That means we can find out wherever the high is to get in at when this closes up on it. Especially if this falls through within the next 6 minutes, creates the fucking pattern. Let me check the 1 minute on YM real quick. Where are you at in comparison to your? Okay, so it's not went near the EMA yet. So I'm not even thinking about YM on. All right, so we're getting disclosure, bro. We're gonna get disclosure. And we're gonna get this shit to line up on the fucking one. And we're gonna get it to line up on the 1 minute. As long as they give us this close right here. This is the one you want. This should be the one. This should be the one you want. Just so we can put it in on this thing right here. If they give it to it crystal clear on either one of those assets right there, bro. Now, it could bounce off that motherfucker. But as long as I get the closer here, which I just got, I might expect one bounce off the line and then for it to come back into something like that. Based on where we at and also time. So we got a whole nother 20 minutes in the macro-ish. So it's like right there. This shit's like primed to fucking go down, dude. And when I say primed to go down, the minimum is going to go down. The minimum is to this goddamn fucking breaker block that sent it up in the first place. That's the minimum.
So
That's the minimum, bro, on a 6 minute candle. That's big, bro. That's goddamn at least like 6-7 candles from here. If not more. If not 8, depending on how they play it. So I want to take that risk. We got a closure. We're coming into a line. First person to do it on the line, I'm looking for a PSP on the 1 minute to pull the trigger off of this. Like I said, I got us bouncing back up because this is the one that closed, and we got the volume and balance up here at the origination point. You know what I'm saying? So as long as it has a fair value gap inside the candle run that closes below this, it's still golden. So, and that's right here at the top. So with that being said, let me go to the 6 minute and see where they are, because whoever sweeps that high, oh shit.
we have to check.
Yeah, he already swept. He already swept it on YM. He already swept it on YM, bro. I'm still gonna hold on. I'm still gonna hold on. I'm still gonna hold on. I'm not gonna pull the gun. I'm not gonna jump the gun on this. Absolutely not. Yeah, that's important. So in order to really, really confirm with all entries, this candle would need to close. It doesn't matter where it closes on NQ or ES. Right now I'm watching YM. YM candle needs to close right here. And I also need it next candle to close below this volume balance, right? Here. But that's too much for me. That's too much for me because it'll already be to the break block that I want to catch. So that's why we're going to catch it off the 1. Because if it hits it on the 1, it's going to work on the run. It's not coming back up anymore. It's not going to come back up anymore. So that might have been it right there. Just to freaking blow this up a little bit more. Ain't got to look at all the other candles. I know exactly what I'm fucking looking for, too. Yeah, everything else is irrelevant. Because what everybody happened is about to happen in these candles right here. All the highs and the PSP that I'm looking for is about to happen. So, we got closure whenever this 6 minute candle closes. Let me take a gander at the 3 minute real quick. 3 minute is coming back into it too. It's gonna give us multiple chances to get in this motherfucker. And that's what it's gonna do. I like that everything's lining up though. 6 minutes lines up, sweeping those highs, failing on the other 2, falling through on the 6 minute. Right here. Yeah, the closure. Mm-hmm. All right. Yeah, I'm watching. I don't really need to watch it on the 6 anymore. I know what I'm looking for. Let me be careful here and really pull this shit out of my ass. I know. I see what's about to transpire on the other one though. They're gonna give us one more pullback, dude. Or they might not, man. They might fall through that motherfucking color, goddamn thing, dude. Because that would have been an entry right there. If I gotta let it go, then I'll let it go. I mean, it is what it is, and then I'll figure out how to get back in it because that's the sweep right there. If this, bro, if this candle right here, this red candle closes below this fucking wick right here, right now, after doing this right here, I'm gonna enter a sell immediately. If you ever see our point of interest get fucking swept by one asset and failed on the other asset, and the asset that swept it and continued red up under the previous candle, they're gone. They're gone. If they do it all in one shot, I mean, it's got to turn red and close below the wick in order for me to like really pull that trigger. And it's still A+ setup. And guess what? We just made a swing low on the one. Hopefully it holds and it gives us a shot to get in it. And I'm thinking it's gonna hold right here. So let's find out what it wants to do. This looks good, bro. This is how you want that swing low to come into that EMA. For real, for real. All right. I'm gonna get back here on the 3-minute real quick. Make a low on that line. Let's see. I'm still waiting, man. I'm as patient as fuck, bro. It's happening on. Oh shit. Hold on, dude. It's happening right now. It's happening right now. Hold on. I got ES on the 1. Printed through, back up, and a fall. I got origination at the PSP. I got origination at the PSP. Let me check this 1 minute over here. That is the 1059 candle. Oh yeah. 1059 candle. 1059 candle. I see you. Let me just be aware of you over here. Yeah, right there. Okay. Watch you. I need to sweep it at high. That candle. This is no longer important. Only thing I'm looking for is let me use the damn box, bro. And you gotta give it to me. Because if you don't, that means you're gonna tap that breaker block and you're gonna blow past it. And if you blow past it and everybody blows past it, that's my entry. You take a buy. I got 2 narratives. But everybody gotta do the same thing. So that high right there, go through the go low. But we're being aware of the freaking goddamn what's happening on the damn shit here, which is a breaker block, which is on the 3-minute. Which is on the 3-minute. It just came in. It probably tapped kinda. Probably tapped it. I don't know. It doesn't matter. But also what the 6-minute did with this low and going above this high. So we're almost at 50% of the range. If it's gonna kick back up, it's gonna come into this motherfucker. And if all 3 assets blow past that right there, all 3 assets are about to go up. So let's see what they want to do. If they sweep that high first, it's a sell for me automatic. I can't do nothing about it. I can't negotiate with the strategy. And if it's an ATT time, bro, I'm probably gonna hit the fucking sell button on the top. I'm not gonna wait for the confirmation. I'm not gonna wait for the confirmation. Not this time. I'm not gonna risk everything on it. You know what I'm saying? Just see if they want to give it to us. Let's see if NQ want to goddamn sweep first. It'd be cool if NQ can sweep it because we'll know exactly where the closure below or where the fair value gap is on NQ for it to fucking. Yeah. You see what I'm saying?
Stop loss.
Yeah, it'd be just at the high. Yeah, that's ideal. That's what you want.
That's the simplest way to transpire.
Yeah.
Because then after So guess where the fucking stop loss is. Shit. You're working with 17 video.
Well, it's usually gonna be at your most recent swing high, if not no more than 2. But man, it looks like it's more so. Let's see. Yeah, no, we still got time, though, bro. So, um,
Watching TV.
they really might want to go up, but this is gonna let us know whether they wants to go up or not. Because if we tap the fucking breaker block in that box, and that line, I should make this fucking box just to fucking fuck's sakes.
Boxes. They're awesome. You can't do lines. I've never been able to do lines.
What the fuck channel? What was that just on, bro? What the fuck candle was that? Oh, damn, it's fucking crazy, dude. This came in. Damn. All right, cool. All right. Somebody sweep. I mean, if they fail, bro, I gotta wait for goddamn the fucking confirmation if another asset does it. Please go ahead and you go back up there and get that real quick. Don't tap into that breaker block down there. Funny part about it is they might goddamn motherfucking roll that bitch over and fucking roll that bitch out the bottom. But before they do that, they gotta get that. They gotta get that, bro. Otherwise, we ain't got no deal. We ain't got no deal. We ain't got no deal. Y'all gonna give me what the fuck I want. I'm promising you. I ain't fuck. And you gave me the fucking fair value gap with nothing inside of it too, dude. Well, bro, this is the top of the notch line. What
Best price is right here.
Yeah,
Type shit.
yeah, for sure, dude. Yeah, we don't want to set this. Let me want to set this up right now. The one.
This one.
Oh, yeah, got you down. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Low. I got nothing on 3 minutes. So as of right now, we're going back up to tap that. We're gonna sweep that high on YM. NQ may keep falling right now. I'm about to be in these sales. It's about to sweep that high right now, is what I'm saying. I'm about to be in a sale on NQ. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna see if it holds. And if it doesn't, we still know where the reversal entry is. So I'm not really concerned with it. On the sale, it's still gonna be let me see where this high. It's 05. This is 11. I can't really tell you right now because nobody swept the freaking high. Just gotta hold up. But this is the one right here. I don't have it on the. Let me put it on the 1 minute real quick. I'll show you what I'm looking at. I'm looking at this high right here. The 1059 candle. The 1059 candle is my point of interest. We are about to take a sell if that candle gets swept. So it doesn't matter what asset sweeps it. It doesn't matter what asset sweeps it. Whoever sweeps it is my confirmation to get into this trade. We should not have any drawdown with this, bro. If we're on sides, we should not have any drawdown. All right. Still being aware of that breaker block down there on the bottom. Got to be aware of it because I see it. Yeah, they sweep that box right there, and we're in sales. Yeah. This is the one right here. Are they going to give it to us? Okay, we're moving back up into the box. Somebody give it to me. If everybody goes through it, then they're about to be going up for the rest of the day. But if one person sweeps and gives me a confirmation candle in my direction, we're going for a sale. Right now, everybody's coming into it. Everybody's coming into it. Everybody's running equal to it right now. So let's see what they want to do. Yeah, they're playing around. This is the box right here. This is the box. This is the box. This is the box that's going to decide everything for the rest of the day. That doesn't count. That doesn't count. Y'all not going to trick me with that shit. I know what y'all got to do. Yeah. It's irrelevant. It's irrelevant. They already went through it on the one. They already went through it on the bottom side. And it's a PSP. They got to react off the PSP. They got to react off the PSP. They shouldn't have left it. They got to react off of it. That's what the strategy said. They react off every PSP that's left there with this signature. So somebody has to close above it, the wick probably, or somebody has to close above the candle close right here, or the candle open in this case, preferably the wick. I just need somebody to fail. Okay. YM is failing. If YM closes above this motherfucker too, bro, then it's off the table. But in order to enter, as right now, you gotta get your goddamn ducks ready. Hold on, let me pull this other chart up real quick. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm going in for a sale. Yep. Hold on, bro. I'm trying to get this shit situated on buddy account. I gotta set his stop loss real quick. I ain't got it yet. Somewhere up there. Be that much, but damn, bro. Fuck. Let's see what they're gonna do. I don't know. I think I had it right. I don't know. Let's find out. Nobody didn't close above it. I did get a wick above. Then I got a closure below a fair value, a volume imbalance. So yeah, it's above the 1010 candle, bro. No more than the 1055 candle. Yeah, I'm in it. I'm in it right here. I'll pull it up real quick. That's it right there on the. Hold on, wait a minute. It is stop loss on this motherfucker. I'm gonna put mine inside the candle of the 1057 candle. As of right this very second, until they can goddamn till I can goddamn drag it down. It shouldn't go back up there, bro. This shouldn't go up there at all, bro. This should fall from here and yeah, something like that, bro. Yeah, it ain't nothing big. I say the worst case would be 1055, but yeah, for sure, for sure.
It's work. Work. It's working fucking bad.
I gotta be content, bro. I gotta hold the shit. You know, it is what it is. Is it too much? I don't know. Let me look at the 3 minute real quick. Um, I don't know, bro. This shit is fucking. Let's see. We're gonna hold this motherfucker, bro. I found out that I should be holding shit. Uh, no, I'm talking to the other dude that's talking in my head right now. Yeah, the dude, the ego dude, be wanting to goddamn run his mouth all the time while I'm damn fucking on the charts and shit. Gotta watch his ass. Right now, it's in private. I got 4 contracts on. Um, it does feel heavy, but I'm trying to get used to feeling how this strategy moves. It's been showing me that it likes to move, and I gotta be comfortable. I gotta start putting more on when I get into these trades. So as of right now, just gotta be patient and hold this thing. I might take off maybe 2 or 3 when it gets to like maybe like 2 when it gets to like 200, hopefully. And then I'll hold 2 for just to see what it does. If it comes back, it comes back. If whatever it is. Right now, the stop loss is probably about maybe about $500, bro. You know what I'm saying? As of right now, I mean, that's really too much. I don't want to see it come back above the 1110 candle at all, bro. Yeah, I just wanted to get this thing some breathing room because I didn't shortchange myself so many times by not waiting 2, 3 minutes and fucking. I mean, I'm saying 10, 15 minutes for the charts to prime themselves to move. When I could have waited like 5 more minutes on a lot of trades, bro, it was like, psh, I'm just tired of kicking myself doing it, bro. It's just so I gotta risk it and hold on. Yeah, I gotta risk it and say that this strategy works. Yeah, bro. I mean, I know it works. So, but I want to get this account passed, and either way, I'm not gonna lose 2 trades in a row. I might as well just fucking. It's 4 too much, bro. God damn, hold on, dude. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, that's 4. Yeah, it should fall from here, dude. Let's go, bro. You going the wrong way. Come on, man. You showed me the narrative. Now give me my continuation. I just need a little bit of leeway here, bro. Cause they're on the wrong side of things, dude. Look at this shit, dude. They should be moving right now to the downside, dude. Let's see. If I chose wrong, I chose wrong, but it is what it is. We all had a breaking block. Blah 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 blah. Oh, you fucking pussies. I'm still gonna wait though. I don't care. What's that? What is that? Oh, okay. Yeah, well, this trade, my bad. It ain't gonna be 5. It's gonna be probably like right at 4, if it in fact it does. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back over here real quick and look at it. Oh, from the other side, dude. Oh my God, what are y'all doing to me, bro? That candle's good. Like I say, I could use a closure above, bro. I just don't not a closure above the wick, just a closure in this candle right here. The original this candle right here, the 1059 candle, that's where our PSP was. So a closure above it, not a closure above this wick, just a closure above the actual PSP candle on either asset would be helpful. Would be helpful. But that's usually what it does. It'll give you a closure above the PSP candle and then go. So something to be aware of. No, no, I ain't moving it. It stays right there at the 1057 candle, bro. Until for me it is. I'm not changing anything. Yeah, it's all good, brother. Got you. But you do realize how we got in this trade, correct? Based on ES sweep of the high with this candle right here. It swept. It missed with this one. And it was specifically this high right here. But you got the closure above the actual body of it right here. You see what I'm saying? So that's part of one. Sometimes it'll give you that and go, and sometimes it'll give you the closure actually above the wick and then go. So it's just whatever they feel like doing at the time. So, but let's see how they want to play it. Let's see how they want to play it. Let's see how they want to play it. Yeah, I'm looking at that fair value gap up though, bro, on ES. Like it's trying to freaking hold. I know it might wick down in there, but uh, let's see. Let's see what happens. It looks good though. It looks good. Still. All right, yeah, I'm stop loss is still above the 1057 candle, and that's a wrap. Yeah, if it, I don't even want to near the 1057 candle, bro. I mean, that's just what it is. But let's see if this holds. I'm down 140, 138 right now, 172. So I'm not really worried about it because the play works how the play works. I just got to give it time for the play to fucking work. Hopefully I didn't fucking get it wrong. Oh yeah. No, I'll just reassess on based on what it was because the overall was the overall 6 minute was bullish. So we are into that breaker block. I still am looking for maybe a close above the box itself right here. Just to keep on narrating on what I'm looking at. That'd be freaking cool if they can just nothing too big though, nothing all the way up here. that wouldn't be conducive to what we got. Stop. You know, remember those big ass says told you guys Tuesday. Mm-hmm. Here we go. Come on, baby. Drop it like it's hot for daddy. Drop it like it's hot for that. Come on, man. I shoot y'all bullshit. Goddamn shit. These motherfuckers playing around with my goddamn fucking money, bro. They playing around with motherfucking money. I take the first narrative. That shit tells me to take the first narrative, goddamn. Let's see what they gonna do. Let this motherfucker goddamn hold, bro. Let this bitch hold. Let this bitch hold, bro. I trust you, strategy. I trust you fully. Trust you fully. And I'm gonna continue to put my confidence in you.
Stop filled.
So I still have 3 on. And I'm gonna let those 3 roll. Yes, sir.
Stop filled.
I have 2 on. I got 2 contracts still on. I trailed out 2 of them. So I'm just gonna hold these 2 and see what happens, man. It's like what can you do? Except see how it goes, bro. I mean, hopefully it doesn't roll back up. Either way, I need to be moving my stop loss to the 11-10 candle because I really don't want to see it come back up there at all. At all. So yeah, it's pointless. It's pointless for it to let it come back up there. Could it? Yeah, it could. It could do whatever the hell it wants to do. No, I haven't touched it yet. But what I'm looking at is I'm looking at everybody play around with it. Everybody wants to. YM is coming up to it right now, which is scary. That's scary. Yeah, they're changing my freaking narrative, bro. I mean, I only have 2 contracts on. If YM breaks that high, we got a problem, I think. I only got 2 contracts on, so I mean, ain't no big deal. I'm chilling. I would like for it to come down more than that, dude. Oh my goodness, this is fucking goddamn disgusting. Stop it, dude. Okay. The narrative was the narrative. We're gonna hold this bitch for the next 20 minutes. I might just go take a walk while it's online right now. If it stops me out, it stops me out. Yeah, you can, bro. Yeah. Okay. Oh, yep. Yeah. YM is going to break it right now. Only thing I'm looking at right now is this high right here. Thank you. This high right here. The 11-10 candle. That's really my last barrier to entry. Although my stop loss is above this 1057 candle. If it gets above the 1057 candle, I'm demolished. So well, I say demolished, but I mean it's only gonna be like maybe like $250. Which will put me down on the day probably about maybe 100 and some change, something like that. So, but this is still a good trade. Period. It fell in line with all the parameters. Although the 6-minute is bullish. If I get this closure above here, I may take a buy if they kick me out. But right now it looks like we're off sides. as of right now. But I'm holding till stop loss. So ain't nothing I can do about that. I came in prepared to lose the trade. I got in with it. So yeah, I got YM closing above that high right now. Above this box. I got ES closing above the box right now as well. And I got NQ about to close above the box. So yeah, that's no freaking good. That's no freaking good at all, brother. All right. So with that being said, I would like a little bit of a freaking retracement so I can opt out of this right here, but doesn't look like they want to give it to me. Yeah, buys on the table right now. I mean, they annihilated me. This account is still where it started at 50K, pretty much. It's okay though. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna pass this motherfucker. Yeah, they're about to go in for full buys, bro. I may take them. It depends on if they give me a chance to opt out. But the only way for me to get into these buys right now, at all, would be the a sweep of the 1127 candle. I have to have a sweep of the 1127 candle in order for me to get into this buy. So yeah, it can keep me out. I'm worried about it. If it goes, it goes. It is what it is, bro. I can take that and move on about my business. But yeah, it ain't. No, it definitely ain't looking good. Definitely ain't looking good. Yeah, it's all good. I tell you what though, I will they give me that sweep, I will switch positions, bro. I will switch sides if they give me a sweep of this slow. Yeah, they gotta give me a sweep of 1127 low. Yeah, they're going the wrong way. Everybody closed above the box. Everybody closed above the box. So that's all bad. Like when I say that that's all bad, it's like 100% all bad. It's like a really like a 150% chance that they're gonna go ahead and stop it out. But what I will do is I will wait for a sweep of that 1127 candle, and I'm not gonna sit here and think they're gonna range for the rest of the day, bro. Although they could, but I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it at all, dude. So give me a sweep at 11. There it goes, right there. Um, yeah, I'm entering for buys. Yep, right now. I ain't get a close. I might have jumped the gun on that motherfucker, but it is what it is, dude. Yeah, buys are good. Buys are good. Buys are good right now, dude. I got 3 on. I got 0.2 on my live account. I did cash out half of that motherfucker. Let's see what they want to do, bro. Blow the wick. 11:32 wick. For me, that's what it was. See what they want to do, bro. Um, that's the last barrier to entry. If they really wanted to drop it out of the bottom, bro, they're it'd be really fucked up for them to do it right here, though. But what else can you expect from these people? Oh shit, dude. What the fuck? Okay, I'm done for the day. They done told my ass up. Yeah, they closed over that week now. Now they're fucking just bullshitting. They're fucking about damn. They're running the sequence again on the damn fucking EMA and everything, dude. Let's see. Okay, here we go. You still in, right? Okay. Oh, god damn. Thank you. How much was it? That shit is perfect, but most of the time it is fucking perfect. So even the retracement back into it is okay. So yeah, this was okay, I guess. I mean, I saw the change of direction when I got it wrong the first time. This box right here, should hold, and this should run for the rest of the day. Like now, the rest of the day. Yeah, absolutely, without a doubt. So just like that, the strategy is. I mean, can I make a error? I can make an error, but the strategy works. Even if you misread the strategy, if you got a good read on it, then it's a wrap. This right here should go for the rest of the day, bro. I think we need to be holding some of these motherfuckers, bro. Let's see what this alive is up to. I ain't gonna even push it. I'm gonna get comfortable with this damn live account. Uh, even if you trail one and hold one, you should be good to go. So, for God's sake, take something off the table if you did take the damn trade. I know it's just me on here, but I like to talk like a lot of people watching. So, but this is a fire ass trade, bro. We ain't got damn fucking. We making fucking damn moves with this motherfucker. This bitch about to go to the fucking moon. Watch this shit right here, dude. I should fucking throw a fucking mini on it, but you know what I'm saying? Like, what it is. I ain't fucking with these people, bro. I'm gonna stick to my strategy, and I'm gonna damn mind my business. And That's it. I ain't gonna do nothing else. And I sure wish I would have kept those 20 contracts I had on Buddy Count. Bro, I saw they changed the damn system on my ass. They had 20 contracts on that bitch. I closed out fucking 16 of them bitches real fast. Yeah, this should go for the rest of the day, dude. I'm my live. I'm just gonna move that bitch to Bria. Then y'all ain't gonna come back and get none of this. It is what it is. For God's sake, don't let them fucking drop something out the bottom on your ass. Goddamn, it is a Friday. You know how these motherfuckers goddamn get. Goddamn. Okay. I'm gonna trail one out to right now aggressively, and I'm gonna put the other one into my. You recouped everything, correct?
Oh, I'm going.
Okay. All right. You should let them left one of them motherfuckers running. Why? You good? Yeah. Either way. Yeah. Either way, they're gonna average. They're gonna average out your shit across the board. So, bro, this shit right here should run, dude. This is one of the many ones. When they swept that low, got there and I said, like, he's like, get in right now. Like, yeah, right now. Yeah, right now, bro. This is it. This is the one. In 5 minutes, bro. This was a mini worthy run right here. This entry right here, based on that one sweep of the what candle, the 1132 candle, bro. No, my bad. 1127. I said I needed to go to come back and sweep to 1127. Came back and swept that motherfucker, and it should be continuing to go by this merry way. At least to the highs. When I say the highs, I'm talking about the 1040 high. That's the most predominant high on that swing. So, Dolly, I don't want to come back and stop me out. I mean, I'm in profit, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna allow him to get anything back off of it. And this account is right now 280 in the green. So I'm cool with that, bro. I mean, just for today, and I know the shit works, and I just got to have a good read on certain days, and other days we gotta let this shit go, and that's cool. And I'm good with that. Go for Bill default this bitch at the bottom right now, bro. That shit'd be crazy as fuck, dude. Like real insane type shit. Oh yeah, shit. I can share this shit out, bro. I'm still up. Still up. I'm still holding on at one contract at 69. It's worth 69 right now. I got it fucking going from here right now. That is an ATT time on low, 1141. If they close back above this fucking 1141 candle, they're gonna continue up right now. I might actually add on to a position, goddamn, from there and move my stop loss up to the 141 candle. If they do that right now. If they do it right now. Like all of this one candle. So let's see if they want to do it. Let's see if they want to do it. If they want to do it, goddamn right. Oh, y'all crack babies. Hey, we good though. See, that was a good trade, dude. Yeah, I'm still in it by a couple of ticks. If they come get me now, I'm screwed. Hopefully this is a low. 1142 is a ATT time. That's something to get in on as a stop loss. Yeah, it'd be awesome if they can close above the 1141 candle. They close above the 1141 candle right now. They're going to continue up for the afternoon during the lunch session. Let's see if they want to do that. It is Friday though, so that's it. That's all we got, bro. That's all we got. Yeah, it doesn't look good for the home team. And it looks like
Stop filled.
I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Boom, 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 boom. All right. So with that being said, I am. I think I'm gonna be done, dude. Yeah, they probably just stopped me out on the fucking ATT time to keep going up to 11:43. I might have had it too shallow. Happens real quick, and then yeah. All right. So yeah, we're done for today. We'll holler at y'all on Monday, and that's a wrap, my brother. That's a wrap. This right here. In screen.